See, you can see how the car is misfiring or jerk. Totally the car is shaking. Now once in neutral, when I put it on N, it's giving me the misfire very little compared to down. It's very little bit, but if you put on D, see, it is shaking. Even my hand and the phone also shaking. Please check and let me know what will be the issue. Thank you.